Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to make a plant watering schedule on iPhone. I'm going to be showing you how to create a simple plant watering schedule directly on your iPhone without using spreadsheets, notes, or paper calendars. All right. So instead of trying to remember which plant you watered on Tuesday versus Thursday, well, Arrosa acts like a digital diary for your garden. Having every plant's history logged in one dashboard takes all the mental energy out of plant care. So I'm going to go ahead and quickly show you how to download the application. If you have your extra phone or iPhone, you can just go ahead and open up the camera and then scan this QR code. If not, you have the App Store section right here. Well, go ahead and open it up. Then use the search function at the very bottom. Just tap on it. I'll tap on the search bar. Just type down Arrosa, Arrosa Plant Water Tracker. Just tap on it and then go ahead and tap on Get. And then once that's installed, open it up and sign up. All right. So let me just go ahead and show you how to add a plant. So as you can see here, we have add a plant with the plus sign. So you're going to want to tap on it. Now you could identify by using your camera or identify the plant using your camera, or use the search bar right here if you already know what type of plant it is that you have. Let's say you have asparagus fern right here. You're going to want to tap on it, and then you'll be able to see the scientific name as well as how many days or how frequently should you water this type of plant. Now you're going to tap on add asparagus fern right here, and that will be added on your dashboard. So if this is the first time you've added the plant, you can go ahead and tap on it. Now go ahead and go outside or check your plant if the soil is still damp. If the soil is still damp, tap on soil still damp right here, so you don't need to water it for now. If it's dry, well, go ahead and tap on water now. So let's say, for example, you've opened up Arrosa, or you get notified, it says check your asparagus fern. So it doesn't mean automatically that you need to water it. You'll always have to check if the soil is still damp. And again, if it's dry, go ahead and tap on water now. Now, when you go ahead and tap on water now, you'll have the animation right here for watering. And then your asparagus fern is now happy. All right. How cool is that? Now, when you go ahead and open up your calendar or journal right here, tap on it. So as you can see, I've already watered one plant on August 11, and today 2 plants, right? So you have watering days as well. Let's say we move to September. All right. And when you go ahead and go to care plant right here. So as you can see, aloe vera needs watering today. Bamboo needs to be watered in 3 days. Now asparagus fern right here in 7 days. All right. So you have the care plan. Just tap on it to check it out. As you can see, upcoming checks, aloe vera, asparagus, rubber plant, snake plant, depending on what plants you've added in here. When you go ahead and scroll all the way down, you have logs for today as well as the other days. All right. And by the way, if you want to add a widget about Arrosa on your home screen, well, go to your home screen right here, tap and hold, and then tap on edit at the top left, just like so, and then add a widget. Now go ahead and find Arrosa. Here we have it. Just tap on it and find a suitable widget for you. Say, for example, this one. And then just move it however you want. Tap on done. And here we have it. It says here, 1 plant, 2 water. Water now. So go ahead and tap on it to check it out. And you'll be landed to the Arrosa app as well. So when you go ahead and change the background under your Arrosa app, let's say you went over to Quest, you've unlocked a background right here. I want you to go ahead and check your home screen. It should reflect the background from your main app. All right. So as you can see here, it's nighttime here as well. So if you want to use the other widgets, just like the bigger ones I've shown you earlier, right here, these ones, you need a premium for this. All right. So by the way, I almost forgot to explain to you about the pricing and the free version. Now, the free version will go ahead and let you add up to 5 plants. Now, if you want to add 6 or more plants, well, go ahead and tap on premium right here or the crown button, and it says you can subscribe annually or monthly. And then here's the perk: unlimited plants and photos, adaptive reminders, a garden that feels like yours, and exclusive widgets, just like what I've shown you earlier. So if you have questions, plant care suggestions, or ideas for future Arrosa features, you can also join the Arrosa's community on Discord, and the invitation link is in the description below. So again, go ahead and scan this QR code in the right-hand side or download the Arrosa app from your app store. That's it for now. That's how you make a plant watering schedule on iPhone. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.